Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add TV up effect on Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Capcut, and as you can see, I have created a project in this Capcut application. And if we want to add the TV up effect, we need to go to the effect menu right here, and then we can choose the video effect. And in this video effect, we need to search for the TV up effect. Just type in TV up like this, and then wait a moment. Okay, and this is the effect you can apply to your video. Just tap on that, and if you want to adjust it, you can click on the adjust, and then here you can adjust the speed and also the lateral chromatic aberration and also the longitudinal chromatic. And for example, I'm just going to decrease the speed like this and click on the check mark, and then you can place this effect on the part you want to add this TV up effect to. And wait guys, I'm going to cut my video. Oops, sorry. I'm going to move it first, and I'm going to cut my video like this, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's how we can add TV up effect on Capcut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.